Yo guys, what's up? Um by the way, I'm Caspi. Hi, hello, that's my voice. Yeah, I'm doing a voiceover and yeah, fancy. I know. Get used to it. So what I'm trying to do in this video is basically making a logo of Batman logo, right? And I had a vision about it, like I knew exactly what I was gonna do, but I I wasn't able to exactly show it. So I took a different approach. Since I don't have that much experience in hand drawing, I do have some moderate experience in, digital art. So I did what I did, and it is a video now. You can see it in a couple minutes. I hope you guys like it, and I hope it's enjoyable. If you did like it, and if you're a newcomer, please consider subscribing and liking. It'll help me. Everything is basically, if I'm asking for likes and subs, is basically for the YouTube algorithm. First of all, I need to get noticed, right? And it helps. Anything helps at this point. So yeah, subscribe and like. I guess if you don't like it, dislike. I don't care, but well, I do care. Just